Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a package from my friend Kathleen, and I will link her information down below. She is on Instagram, which is how I first connected with her, and she is in Australia. So she sent this bundle of goodness to me. She is so talented, and I just adore getting little surprises in the mail from her. So let's take a look and see what she has created. So she's got it really well packaged. I had taken it out of the original envelope so that you didn't see all the shipping information and stuff. But I have saved opening it with you. Okay, let's see there. Here's a little letter, so I'll read that off of the camera. And I'll go through everything, oh my gosh, that she has in here for me. Oh my goodness, there are so many things. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a book. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's put this. Oh, she's so smart. I had created a book as well that was similar, and I wanted to ship it flat. And it's so hard to not be so chunky and layered, but it's smart to flatten it out. But this is how we are to see this beautiful little flip book. Think positive, be positive, stay at home. She has created for me this beautiful cover, and she stitched everything around. You can see all the way around here, and she's layered everything up just lovely. She has, I believe, she's quite possibly created the paper for these tags here, and all these little ribbons and stuff behind, and this beautiful little girl on the front there. So up top, she's gifted me, I'm so grateful for these, are some beautiful dangling charms that will be fun to work with. She has made this ribbon. I can tell because she's like hand stitched everything. She's added lace and satin underneath. She's also included a rosette with a sticker, and this is a Chasing Dreams butterfly. And then inside here, she has gifted me a whole bunch of stickers. Oh, I'm definitely going to get good use out of those. So there's letter stickers and some hearts. I recognize these from the Maggie Holmes planner sticker packs. And then some more alphabet and letter stickers, some numbers, and really cute swans. What a good idea. Our life story. That's really pretty. I suspect she has added the glitter to that, possibly. That's really pretty. So she's created this little pocket here. Oh, I see what this is, you guys. This is a tag flip kit. How clever are you? So that's why she's included all of these different things. And the thing that gave it away was this little ring here. And I bet you in the letter that she sent me, that I haven't read yet, I bet you it explains that this is a tag flip kit, because she has made tags for me, and she has absolutely, definitely, oh, these are so neat. What a smart idea. She has cut these all out, but now I can see for sure she has painted these pieces of paper, and she has used mixed media to create these tags so that I can make my little tag flip. What fun. That is so cute. What a good idea. So I was right when I thought she probably created this tag. She did indeed. It's hard to tell sometimes. You have such talented crafters. It's hard to tell what is designer paper and what is their own designer paper. So that is great. So she has given me a lot to work with there. What a smart idea. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. She has created these ruffled ribbons with stitching crate paper. Love those. She has made me some butterflies, some layered butterflies that she has punched and stitched, and she's backed them on top of this beautiful acetate that I just love. That is really fun. Wow, look at that doily. That is so nice. And then she's given me some other layers of paper and journaling cards and things to work with here. Oh wow, those are beautiful. All the different days of the week. Some really fun planner stickers. Thank you, Kathleen. And she's also left me some more letters there to work with. That is so beautiful. I love the way she created this flip book. So she has made a book and stitched in the, these are like those page protectors, and she stitched in two to make pages, like brilliant, and added her own little pocket down there, and she stitched on the background paper, and she stitched on both sides and decorated it so beautifully. That is so sweet. It looks like she's also made some bows for me. I love those. Absolutely love those. So cute. I don't even know what material she die cut them out of, but whatever she used, they are amazing. I absolutely adore them. So she has given me some doilies. I guess maybe she has punched out her own doilies in various sizes. She must have like a nesting die. And then she showed me how she's created these little coins with the tool holding the sequins and beautiful mix here. And you know, it's funny, when I opened the envelope, I should know better when you're opening from a crafter. All these sequins came spilling out. They're like all over my floor right now. It's just funny. So I love these. These are gorgeous. So that is really fun. That will be fun to work with as well. These are great. Wow. So I've been working with the Crate Paper Magical Forest collection, and they have these fabric bows in there, and they are reminding me of that same sort of bow. They are so fun and useful to put on projects, so that would be great to add into my tag flip as well. Let's see which way she go first here. She's included all sorts of little bits of paper crafting goodness. So much fun. Let's see what she's tucked away in here for me. All sorts of ephemera. This beautiful paper ribbon. She has made that, I think. Looks like she's made that. And then there is there's some fun wooden stickers, as well as these beautiful glittered enamel dots. Love those. Thankful. Oh, what is this pretty? Ephemera is like one of my favorite items to work with. Like, look at how pretty that is together. I love that mason jar with the flowers out the top. There's some more of those banner flags. Very, very pretty. Yeah, I recognize this from the Maggie Holmes sticker planner paper. I love this gold paper that she has. She's cut a butterfly out with this gold paper too. This is stunning. I would love to get my hands on some of that paper as well. These cute puffy stickers. Very sweet. And some little flowers and like suns. That's this one tucked under there. A little ball. It's a cute little girl. I like her. A unicorn and some cameras. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. Best friends. Oh, I can never get enough tickets. Those are so cute. The alphabet. She's really mixed a lot of collections. I recognize some of them, and it's cute to see they will all work together. Nice little scallop punch, a little tag, some really more fun stickers. I guess maybe she didn't add the sparkliness to them. I bet you this is that same brand that was in there. So much fun. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, there's one more. Love this little girl that she's got here. Oh, she's giving me some glassine bags. So you can see how she's decorated those. That is like super cute. Love these little sparkles. Oh, and that little butterfly or bow or tag that's hiding back there. That's that material that she made those bows out of. So much fun. Well, thank you so much, Kathleen. This is like just glorious. Pink and mint and gold, my favorite colors, and an absolute joy. Oh, I didn't even look at this one. Oh wow, look at, she's made me a little Velcro pouch that holds, and I love this little way that she's added this little puffy sticker and thread and everything up there. And she's created some more little gold coins for me. Wow, I almost missed those. There's so much to see in this little envelope. This is great. That's supposed to be on there. And that is so cute. Oh, that's such a cute idea. So she's made like a coin, half paper, half tulle with sparkles on the other side. So much fun. I have some I can decorate my own, some that she's decorated half, some that she's decorated completely. So much fun. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely be sure to link Kathleen's Instagram channel down below so you can take a look at all of her amazing paper crafts that she has created, and definitely go give her a follow. I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.